Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a green screen video with CapCut PC. So the material that you can use or you need to use to make a green screen video is a green screen background. You can get this from the Pinterest, you can get it from the internet or any source of image that you can find, and also the video that you want to add to the green screen. So in this case, you need to click on the green screen background first as the main video, then import also the video that you want to add to the green screen. Okay, I'm going to add this one, then drag it to the top, so make this as overlay of the green screen, and then make the green screen duration align with the video. Okay, like this. And then you need to remove the background of the video here, so just click on that video and go to cut out in here and click on the auto cut out. So let's just CapCut do the auto cut out, and when it's done it will go like this. You can see now it's still processing. I'm going to get back to you when it's done. Okay, so the auto cutout has been completed, and you can see the result by playing on the preview here, and you can see you'll get that green screen video easily like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!